Acute stress really kind of gets a bad rap. Acute stress itself is not necessarily harmful. Here's what happens physiologically and why our bodies evolved to have the acute stress response to survive. So, say you or your ancestor just going about your business when a tiger jumps out. That triggers your hypothalamus, which is the brain's command center for the sympathetic nervous response, which is your fight or flight, to kick into gear. It's going to cause your adrenal glands to release epinephrine, otherwise sometimes known as adrenaline, and also your nerve endings to release a related stress hormone called norepinephrine. The two of those together are going to cause your heart rate to increase and your heart rate squeeze to increase. So it increases blood flow to all the areas of your body. It's also going to cause your pupils to dilate so that you can have a broader field of vision, and your lung airways to dilate so that you can take in more air, take in more oxygen, again, to go to those key brain and body areas. It's also going to cause your glucose stores to release so that you have ample energy. Now, if the stressor happens for minutes to hours, say you don't immediately get away from the tiger, then your body will also release another stress hormone known as cortisol. Of course, this all happens entirely unconsciously because you got to be thinking about how to get away from the tiger, so you don't even think about it. So, say you do get away from the tiger, you fight or you flight, and you get back and you are safe. Now you have the relaxation response, and everything goes back to normal. This is really key for our body, to have this oscillation between high moments of stress and then to have the normalization, and that's the way we're wired. Where we get a problem, though, is when we start to have chronic stress. And so instead of having that oscillation, your stress levels just go high and just stay there. We're not wired for that. I'm Dr. Daria. I will talk more about that in my next video. Let me know what other questions you have when it comes to stress.